Welcome to our summary of Dopamine Detox by Thibaut Meurisse. In this book, Meurisse tackles a challenge we all face, staying focused in a world full of distractions. With constant notifications and digital noise, concentrating on what truly matters has become increasingly difficult. Dopamine Detox offers a powerful solution to this problem. Through a simple yet effective plan, you can regain control of your attention, overcome procrastination, and finally start achieving the goals you've been putting off. This isn't just about reducing screen time. It's about reclaiming your productivity and experiencing the true satisfaction that comes from making real progress. As the book progresses, Meurisse delves into the role of dopamine in driving our behavior and desires. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter in our brains that motivates us by pushing us toward activities that promise a reward, whether it's eating, socializing, or reaching personal goals. It's often referred to as the molecule of more because it creates a cycle of wanting and getting. Each time we achieve something, dopamine makes us crave more, restarting the cycle. While this can be beneficial, it can also lead to overstimulation, where our brains start needing more and more excitement to stay motivated. This is where addiction can begin, manifesting in habits like gambling, excessive shopping, endless scrolling on social media, or overworking. Meurisse highlights that this overstimulation can significantly hinder our productivity and focus. When our brains are flooded with dopamine, maintaining attention for extended periods becomes challenging. We can easily fall into a cycle of procrastination where quick rewards take precedence over long-term goals. This not only lowers our productivity but also leaves us frustrated when we struggle to complete important tasks. The book aims to help you recognize these patterns, break free from them, and reclaim your focus and productivity. Moreover, the book explores how dopamine affects us on a broader scale, particularly in the digital age. In the section titled "The Problem: Dopamine Hijacking in the Digital Age," Meurisse discusses how modern technology and advertising have hijacked our dopamine pathways. The digital world, with its endless notifications, personalized content, and clever social media algorithms, keeps our brains constantly seeking the next dopamine hit. Meurisse explains how companies strategically capture and hold our attention because that's how they profit. He details tactics such as perfectly timed notifications that spark curiosity and demand immediate action, along with the infinite scroll on social media that delivers a continuous stream of new content and opportunities for social validation. These strategies trap us in a loop of seeking the next dopamine boost, making it harder to focus on anything else. The book also addresses the larger impact of this constant stimulation. The quick rewards offered by digital platforms can rewire our brains, making us expect fast results in all areas of life. This shift in expectations makes it difficult to stay committed to long-term goals, which often seem less exciting by comparison. Social media exacerbates this issue by presenting idealized images of success, distorting our sense of reality and time. We begin to expect quick and easy wins, and when things don't progress as swiftly as we'd like, we become frustrated and feel inadequate. This frustration drives us to seek more short-term pleasures, diverting us from the sustained effort required to achieve our deeper goals. In the fourth part of Dopamine Detox, the book outlines the benefits of undergoing a dopamine detox. Meurisse explains that the core idea is to reduce the activities that overstimulate our brains, allowing us to reset and regain balance. The aim isn't to lower dopamine itself, but to help our brains respond more appropriately to stimulation. This reset can lead to improved focus, greater self-control, and a sense of calm. Meurisse introduces 3 types of dopamine detoxes tailored to different levels of need. The most intense option is a 48-hour detox, where you avoid nearly all external stimuli, like digital devices, social media, certain forms of entertainment, and specific foods for 2 days. A 24-hour detox is a slightly less intense but still effective alternative. Lastly, there's a partial detox, where you eliminate only the most distracting activities from your daily life. Meurisse advises choosing the detox that best aligns with your lifestyle and needs. It's important to clarify that a dopamine detox isn't about reducing dopamine levels, as some might think. Instead, it's about resetting your brain so it responds more effectively to new experiences. This process helps break the habit of constantly seeking quick dopamine hits from external sources. The ultimate goal is to regain control of your focus and life, leading to a more meaningful and fulfilling existence. Building on these earlier concepts, the 5th section of the book provides a practical guide to starting your dopamine detox. Meurisse breaks the process down into 3 steps designed to enhance focus and promote a calmer mindset. The journey begins with self-reflection. Meurisse encourages you to think about the habits and activities that disrupt your focus or overwhelm your senses. He suggests creating 2 lists, one for the activities you want to continue during the detox and another for the distractions you want to avoid. Being honest in this assessment is crucial for crafting an effective detox plan. Next, Meurisse introduces the concept of adding friction to shape your behavior by making it more difficult to engage in activities you want to avoid, such as turning off notifications, using website blockers, or placing your digital devices out of reach. You reduce their temptation. Conversely, making it easier to engage in positive activities, like keeping your workspace organized or having healthy snacks readily available, helps you build better habits. The final step emphasizes the importance of timing in your detox. Meurisse suggests beginning your detox in the morning by creating a low-stimulation environment as soon as you wake up, starting the day with activities that promote calm and focus, such as meditation, gentle stretching, or journaling. Sets a peaceful tone for the rest of the day and helps you maintain focus while avoiding distractions. By following these steps, you can reduce distractions, reset your brain's responses, and cultivate lasting focus, leading to a calmer, more controlled approach to life. Shifting from ideas to action, the 6th part of Dopamine Detox offers simple strategies to help you overcome procrastination and manage your tasks more effectively. Meurisse emphasizes the power of intentional planning. By starting each day with a clear plan, prioritizing the most important tasks first, you can avoid wasting time on less important activities and reduce distractions. This strategy not only helps you combat procrastination, but also keeps you productive throughout the day. One of the key techniques Meurisse recommends is tackling your most important task first thing in the morning. By using your peak energy on the most critical task, you're more likely to complete it, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. This approach aligns with your brain's natural rhythms, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Even if smaller tasks are delayed, the most significant ones get accomplished. The book also offers tips for enhancing focus. Establishing a routine that signals to your brain it's time to work can be incredibly effective. This could involve a simple morning ritual or arranging your workspace in a specific way. Minimizing distractions is also crucial. Turn off notifications, limit social media, and keep your work area clutter-free. Meurisse also suggests using techniques like the Pomodoro method, which breaks work into short, focused sessions to boost concentration. Furthermore, the book introduces the concept of open and closed systems. Open systems like emails and social media constantly bring in distractions that disrupt your focus. Closed systems, such as working on a specific project, help you stay focused because they have clear boundaries. Meurisse advises starting your day with tasks that fall within closed systems to avoid feeling overwhelmed by open systems, setting the stage for a productive day. By organizing your day in this way, you can prevent overstimulation and make steady progress toward your goals. As the book continues, the 7th chapter, Avoiding Dopamine Relapse, addresses the ongoing effort required to maintain the mental clarity achieved through a dopamine detox. Meurisse emphasizes that this is not a one-time fix, but a continuous journey that comes with challenges, such as the temptation to revert to old habits and the ever-present distractions around us. He stresses the importance of self-awareness, urging you to stay vigilant for early signs of relapse, like restlessness or a renewed craving for distractions. By recognizing that relapses are normal, Meurisse suggests handling setbacks with compassion and determination. In this chapter, the book explores the tension between our brain's need for stimulation and our deeper desires for long-term growth and satisfaction. Meurisse underscores the importance of continuous attention and proactive strategies to safeguard our focus in a distraction-filled world. Developing a backup plan is essential. It should include methods for managing potential triggers and strategies for navigating moments of weakness. Meurisse also recommends increasing here and now neurotransmitters like endorphins, oxytocin, and serotonin, which promote feelings of calm, connection, and happiness. Engaging in mindfulness practices, deep social interactions, meditation, and even learning to appreciate boredom can boost these beneficial neurotransmitters, providing a healthy balance to the constant pursuit of dopamine. To support lasting change, the book introduces a 30-day challenge designed to reinforce the habits you've developed during the detox. This challenge acts as a bridge from the intense detox phase to sustaining these new routines, making long-term transformation more achievable. By dedicating 30 days to these practices, you can experience enduring benefits, leading to a life with greater focus and fewer distractions. In the final chapter, Thibaut Meurisse summarizes the key ideas of dopamine detox, emphasizing that focus, consistency, and deliberate action are essential for achieving our goals. He reiterates that focus isn't an innate trait, but a skill that can be cultivated and refined. By choosing to minimize distractions and create an environment conducive to concentration, you can take control of your attention and direct your energy toward what truly matters. Meurisse also highlights that living a more balanced life isn't just about avoiding overstimulation. It's also about practicing mindfulness and staying present. These habits not only enhance productivity, but also lead to a deeper sense of satisfaction and well-being. The journey to improve focus is not a quick fix, but a lifelong commitment to personal growth and intentional living. The book concludes with a strong call to action, encouraging readers to embark on this journey as a crucial step toward achieving their dreams and living a purposeful life. This final message encapsulates the book's main ideas and invites you to make focus a central part of your daily life. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you insightful book summaries and practical advice. Stay tuned for more content to help you achieve your financial goals and personal growth. Thanks for watching.